Okay, what's up guys? I just had to redo this video because I thought I knew how to code Vue and it turns out I got halfway through, got stuck on a bug and had to redo the whole fucking tutorial. So here we are. Welcome back. We're here with the third one, and programming is never as easy as you think it is. Like, it always surprises you. Like, I've done this for many years and this caught me off guard. So here we are, we're gonna do it this time. And so the first thing we're gonna do, npm install Vue. I already have it installed, you guys won't. That's going to install, do its thing. We're going to go ahead and start typing our code. So, this time we're going to do it correct. From Vue. Whoops, no capital V. And we can use imports because we're compiling our code now, which we weren't doing before. So that's awesome. So, now we can define a new Vue.component. Sorry, no component. My bad. New Vue. And then we need to mount it to an element this way for some odd reason. But we do. That's the one thing I figured out. Okay, so you learn something new every day. And we're also going to bind that to an app variable, which we're also going to define on our window variable. So we have access to that. We can do some nice things when we're testing and things. And the reason why I'm also going to touch on this. The reason why I didn't follow the docs, I was reading this before and there's not really any useful information here. Like, I followed this in the previous video I tried to record and it didn't work out. For some damn stupid reason, it didn't work out. So we wasted time there and it never worked. You can ignore that. But that is our next step. What we're going to do is we're going to make a component and show you how that works so you can make components and use Vue, and then in the next video, I'll show you how to use Rerouter, which is super simple, and you're going to love it because you'll be able to have different pages in your little app. The only downside is there'll be no SEO on those, but in the future, I want to do another tutorial bringing Adonis.js into mix and showing you another little twist on things, and you're going to love it. Not tonight though, that will be another night. So, let's create a new directory called components, and inside that, we're going to add a Vue component and we're going to call it test component. So you guys probably don't get this nice little template that my editor just created for me, so pause the video if you need to, write that out, and yes, I'm going to do a good old hello world again, and we're going to give it text blue 500, font bold, and yeah, that'll do. So that's cool. We've got a component there. Now we're going to define this in here. So we're going to do Vue.component. And before we go any further, let's just import it. My idea will import it for me. You need to write the same path. And we're going to call this test-component. And right here we're going to write test component and semicolon. Now, in our index here, just like you guys saw before, I can define this, and that's what I deleted. Now, if it's compiled, it did. Now we should be able to go to our website, refresh, hello world, there it is. Fantastic. So, I'm also running with npm hot again. You guys probably aren't. You might want to, but that's how VueJS works, and I will probably catch you tomorrow with a Vue router tutorial. You don't need to worry about that. You don't even have to use Vue components yet if you don't really know how to use Vue or JS or anything. You can just start building a website. Okay, so let's add a class container, mx auto, and then we're gonna add this here. We're gonna give this. Let's turn off my dark reader. Whoops, wrong thing. We're gonna add, we've got 8 padding on there. Let's add a H1. We're gonna put text center. Hello everybody. Text grade 600, and then we can add a p tag on here. Whoops, what did I mess up? Whoops, that. I don't know, it's some random fucking word item in that head, but you know, you can make a whole website without that, and you got to compile in, everything's working nice. If you're going to delete that, you need to delete your Vue, obviously. I'm getting an error here. But then you can also write your SCSS as well, which is super awesome. Like you don't have to nest stuff. Like you can do all your fancy stuff. Like you take it as deep as you want, guys. No meme intended. But have fun, enjoy it, guys. It's super simple to set up. But that's how I like to build my projects, and then I can't wait to show you the next pieces. It's just easy and it works. And if you don't want to use Vue, you don't have to. Like you can build static sites that way, but at least with Vue you get some templating and stuff, like which I can also introduce you in, and you'll see when we did the routing video. But thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.